Hello everyone, welcome to MyTech. I am Sohail and I am a second year MBBS student in India. First, let us start with the unboxing of the new iPad Air 4th generation. I know you have seen it many a times, but just for the sake of it, here's a quick unboxing. It won't take much of your time. As you might have seen in many of the videos, it is being compared with the iPad Pro. But first let's get the fact clear that the iPad Pro costs rupees 71,000 here in India, whereas the iPad Air 4th generation cost 55,000. It's approximately 15,000 less. iPad Pro has this ProMotion display, there's a LiDAR scanner, and there are much more greater camera setup of arrays. But for most of us, we won't be using this feature. Now many of us have been using Android smartphones which already have the higher refresh rate display. But we have to see that iOS also has smoother transition at its end. Now at the drawing end, it makes a difference. But for most of the part, it won't make any of the difference. You might notice certain fluency more in the higher refresh rate display, but that also has a fact that iPad Pro costs 20k more than the iPad Air 4th generation. iPad Air 4th generation sits at 55,000 rupees, whereas the iPad Pro starts at 71,000 rupees. Also, considering the cycle of the updates Apple follow, we should go for the newer device. If you can shell out the extra 20k, it's best that you go for the iPad Pro. But iPad Air has the most of it and would be a self-sufficient device. Now, as a medical student, everyone needs to have a laptop, be it for reading ebooks that are available in PDF, for attending seminars, and now the new trend, that is the online classes on Zoom or Google Meet. But the question really arises is, can it replace the laptop? The answer is, to the most of the extent, yes, it can replace the laptop. But there are certain features that will be available only in laptop and which are slowly catching up in this new iPad, or you can either say mobile computing devices, such as high-end photo editing. This is only available right now in laptops, but most of our medical students don't edit this stuff, so this won't matter to us much. And where the difference between the iPad and the computer really comes is the gaming. Now you see that the gaming is better or considerably better in the laptops or PCs. Also, one major difference between the laptops and the iPad is that the laptops or the PCs are considerably better in gaming, whereas the iPad or the mobile gaming sector is slowly catching up. But still, the heavy graphic intensive games are available in laptop only, so this should be your point of consideration. Well, let's have a look at the specifications of this iPad. For the medical student, this device comes as a blessing. We know there are tons of books out there and one book can't suffice all. Be it Davidson's or Harrison's in medicines, Anant Narayan or Shastri in microbiology, BDC or Vishram Singh in anatomy. There are multiple books we need to refer to. These days, the growing trend for using iPad is now note-taking. We all have seen various videos of international students taking notes in the iPad, and this trend is also slowly catching up here in India. The fact is, we need to refer to multiple books, and that is where the need for ebook comes in. Now, for the first year students, you have seen how huge the atlases are, be it Macmillan's, be it Netter's atlas. Every atlas is so huge, and you have to find that artery, or you have to find that nerve. So with this iPad, you see how easy it is to read an atlas, and the atlas, which is just like 2 kilos book, now just comes in a very minimalistic. As you can see, Apple provides its own arrays of apps, such as this, Pages. It is a powerful word processor. It gives a desktop type typing experience. Also, you get other apps such as Keynote, Numbers, and GarageBand and iMovie for video editing. Let's have a look at the gaming capabilities of device. This device is capable of running high-end games such as Call of Duty at very high settings, or which is the max settings that you get with this game. This game runs very smoothly without any lag or frame drops or any kind of stutter. As you would expect from this device, it gives a high-end gaming experience. For those of you which are not into high-end or intensive games, there are many casual games available on App Store, such as this, which is Pocket Ball, which I am playing. It can be a good time pass in between study breaks. Also, this iPad marks the return of the Touch ID, which is equally fast and responsive. I think Apple should have provided the Face ID, but the Touch ID would also suffice it. As you can see, it is a 4K display but lacks HDR, so it has a slightly less contrast, but the viewing experience is very great, as you can see on your screens. The display is very bright, sharp, and brilliant as ever it could be. It throws in punchy colors, but the blacks are not so great, being it a LCD display. You also get a desktop class browsing experience on this new iPad. It is actually a feature of iPad OS 14, but it is an equally great feature when it comes because you are not viewing any mobile websites, you are simply viewing the desktop websites. Now, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to us, liking this video and sharing it among your friends so we can help to grow this channel further. Your one subscribe will help us to go further and bring more good content to you. This is the iMovie application where you can edit your videos and stuff. It's not the best editing app on the iPad. There are many better apps such as LumaFusion, but this comes free and will do most of the work. This is the GarageBand applications for all the budding musicians out there like you. You can clearly compare the sound quality of the iPad Air 1 to the iPad Air 4. iPad Air 4 is a clear winner out there with its stereo speakers.
Kids. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the one who is covered in bleach. Cause I'm the ones who help me cross and watch me weep.
iPads are a perfect note-taking device. With this iPad, the new iPad Air 4th generation, the bezels are thin. Now, Apple has to keep a difference. It is not as thin as the Pro version, but it's definitely a futuristic upgrade in terms of an iPad. But again, Apple Pencil costs about 11,000 here in India. Now, if you're into drawing, go for the Apple Pencil. But if you want to take simply notes, then there are cheaper alternatives available out there on Amazon or on Flipkart. You can check them out, and we will be doing a detailed analysis on that too. So in all, this iPad is a perfect device for us, the medicos. I would definitely recommend to you the iPad Air 4th generation. You can go for the 64GB variant only, because you can now attach the solid state drive or various other accessories with the new USB Type-C peripherals. Thanks for watching. Keep studying, keep growing, keep excelling. I'm Sohail from MyTech.